Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming essentials: the iPad, internet, and any Apple ID email guesses. Once ready, go to Settings and tap your name. If signed out, open Settings, sign into your iPad. If you see your Apple ID email, choose Forgot Apple ID or password and enter the email. If you don't know it, check the iPad's iCloud or earlier purchase receipts to find likely addresses. This gets you into the official recovery flow immediately. Once you select Reset Password, you'll be asked to verify identity. Use the iPad passcode if prompted because it proves device ownership. Make sure to receive and enter the verification code sent to your trusted device or phone. This is a security step to confirm it's you. If codes aren't reachable, choose Account Recovery. This initiates a guided wait where Apple confirms identity before allowing a new password. Keep checking messages and don't interrupt the recovery process. You now create a new, secure password and follow prompts to update it on the iPad. Make sure to sign back into iCloud and confirm syncing. If recovery stalls, try a different trusted device or phone number, or allow the recovery waiting period to complete. This often resolves verification issues. If nothing works after the recovery window, contact Apple support with your device serial and proof of purchase ready so they can verify ownership and find.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.